Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the watch off and removing the band so you can access the seams. This prevents accidental inputs and makes handling safer. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and lay out tools in order. Precision drivers, spudger, suction, tweezers. Now pry the back or screen carefully using a suction and plastic spudger. Apply steady pressure at one corner. Lift slowly to avoid snapping clips. Make sure to photograph screw sizes and cable routing as you remove them so reassembly is predictable. You continue by removing internal brackets and tiny screws. Place each screw in labeled compartments so orientation stays exact. Next, use a plastic spudger to lift the display flex connector. Do not lever with metal tools because that can damage contacts. Once disconnected, gently separate the old display assembly from adhesive. Clean the frame of residue so the new adhesive seats flat. When fitting the replacement, align the flex cable and press straight down until it clicks. This ensures a reliable electrical connection and avoids uneven pressure on the panel. You finish by reversing the disassembly. Reinstall brackets and screws exactly as photographed so mechanical stress is even. Once the display is loosely seated, power on the watch to verify touch response and display uniformity before sealing. This saves time if a connector needs adjustment. If everything works, apply new adhesive and fully close the case. If the screen is blank or unresponsive, make sure to reseat the flex cable. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and try another panel. Often the connector, not the bezel, is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.